Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So actually in today's video, I would be making a video which has been requested by a lot of people from other channels other than YouTube and Facebook where I'm active and where I do my coaching. So the main question they had was that when you're trying to manifest something specific, it could be a specific person, it could be a specific job, it could be anything specific. How do you detach or how do you, act as if it has already happened so that the manifestation can come to you? I'm sure a lot of you would have this question and I hope this video is helpful to you. As I always say in my manifestation videos and in my manifestation programs that you have seen before in all the videos, that it's important to visualize whatever technique that you might be using, in order to get your manifestation, that you need to do visualization, you need or if you're doing the 2-cup manifestation, or if you're doing the 5 into 5 manifestation. So these are different techniques and we will talk about the techniques later as I make more videos. But if you're doing or practicing the law of attraction and you're trying to manifest something specific into your life, or it could be anything into your life, if you're trying to manifest anything into your life, the most important thing to get your manifestation is to detach from your manifestation. Right? Now, what do I mean by when I say detach from your manifestation? It means that I do my visualization at night or just before I wake up in the morning, whatever time suits you. I mean, when you're doing your manifestation, you go into that zone, you do your visualization, and then throughout the day, you're not thinking about that. You're not thinking about when is it going to happen, how is it going to happen. You're not thinking about your desire at all because you are sure that it has already happened. And that is called detaching. That is called detaching and letting go of whatever it is that your desire is, that your manifestation is. You're letting it go to the universe free and you are open to receive it in any form that it comes, right? So, but I know that is a very difficult part because I struggled with it a lot initially as well. But I'll tell you how you can detach from your desires, how you can let go so that you can your desires actually get manifested. But before I go into that, let me tell you why detaching is very important for your manifestation. I know many of you would would have been trying to manifest something, but a lot of you may have been facing difficulty that you have been doing your visualizations correct, you have been going on the right path, you're doing everything correct, but what it is that is stopping you from getting what you want, right? Many of you would have this question. The only thing or the only reason is you're not detaching from your manifestation. Say for instance, I'll give you another very short example from our daily everyday life which we had always experienced. Say for instance, and I have used this reason before as well in my previous videos. So say for instance, when we were kids whenever you are giving an examination, okay, you're writing a paper, in order to get the marks that you deserve for the paper that you have written, what you need to do is you need to submit your paper. That's right. Unless you submit your paper to the invigilator or to the teacher so that they can give you the marks and they can say, oh, you have done perfectly fine, all the answers are correct, and you get 100 out of 100 or 80 out of 100 or 90 out of 100 or whatever, or you fail. That's a different story. But unless you're giving out that sheet of paper to the teacher to get it corrected and send it back to you, you're not going to get the marks, right? If you hold the paper to yourself and say that, no, this is my paper, but I want the marks, but I'm not going to give it to you, it's not going to work that way. So it is the same thing with your manifestation. When you want something from the universe, you have to make the wish and let it go completely. Only then will all the possibilities or the impossible things that there's nothing called impossible, first of all. Everything that will start opening up is when you set yourself free and tell the universe that I am ready to receive my desire, which is so and so, in any form, in any way you want to give it to me, in the most effortless manner, because I trust you and I trust myself that this is going to definitely come to you because it's mine. So when you say that to the universe and you let it go, that's when manifestation starts happening like magic. And if you're holding it to yourself, you would face resistance in getting your manifestations. So that is the importance, or that is a reason why you need to detach from your manifestation, from whatever it is that you want, so that whatever it is that you want can come to you in the most easiest and the quickest and the most effortless manner, right? So how to do that? The thing is that when you're trying to let go, say for instance, when you know that something has already happened, do you worry about that? No. Say for instance, when you've given a job interview, even if you've gone for a job interview and you know that you did your best and you have that feeling, oh, I did my best and it's going to come to me. You don't keep worrying about it, right? You don't keep thinking about the same thing again and again and again, that, oh my God, is it going to happen? When are they going to contact me? What is going to happen? This, that. You don't do that. You just let it go because you know that you have done your best. You know that you have that it is supposed to come to you and it will come to you. So that is called detaching, and that is how you just let go. You just don't think about what it is that you're trying to manifest because you're so confident that it is going to come to you, and you just enjoy the present moment that you are in. Just whatever you need to do is get on with your life. Get your life back on track and keep moving your day without thinking about what it is that you're trying to manifest, without thinking about that, oh, whether it has come or not. Just go out with your friends and enjoy if you want to do that, or you want to read a book, whatever it is that you need to do in order to keep yourself in that moment, so that you are enjoying yourself the most at that point of time, because your manifestation has already happened and it's going to just come to you. So that is exactly what is the power of letting go. And that is exactly how you detach from your manifestations, so that, or your desires, so that everything that you want will come to you. And trust me, this is the key to all the manifestations. I hope you like the video. In case if you have, share it with all of your friends, give it a thumbs up. I hope you all stay safe. Subscribe to my channel as well for all the new viewers. And I hope you all stay safe. I hope you all are taking care. Stay home. Be good. This is just a phase. It will pass away. Stay positive. Stay hopeful. This is all the time you have for self-development. So just utilize that time, right? And I will see you all again next week. Bye-bye.